Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to send a photo from your iPhone to your Mac. It's pretty easy. You just need to go into the photo on your iPhone, then click on the share button, then click on AirDrop, and you should see your MacBook here. If you don't, then go into the control center up here, then go to AirDrop and make sure it's set to either contacts only or everyone, and make sure that it's enabled. And then you should see it here. Click on that. Then on your MacBook, click on accept, and you can either save it to photos or to downloads. I'm gonna save it to downloads. And now it's here. You can see I can double click on it to open it. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.